Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 19 Collingwood Road. This 3-bedroom property is available with no onward chain. And then moving into the property, we have the hallway here with stairs going up to the first floor. We have 2 reception rooms and the kitchen, as well as a ground floor cloakroom on this floor. Now we can just look back at the front door. There's also a built-in storage cupboard. Then we have the ground floor cloakroom with toilet and wash basin. And then across to the first reception room here. This one facing towards the front of the property. And over to the second reception room, again, nice size here. And we also have a door going out into the rear garden. And then we have the kitchen with an integrated cooker and gas hob. Space there for a tall fridge freezer, space for a washing machine, and we have a wall mounted gas boiler just in the corner. Okay, then onto the first floor landing where we have a window to the side. We also have loft access here. Then we have a built-in airing cupboard housing the hot water cylinder, as well as a useful overstairs storage cupboard just here on the left-hand side as well. So we have 3 bedrooms and the bathroom on this floor, starting with the first bedroom here at the front of the house. So good double bed size proportions here in this room. Then we have the third bedroom, again at the front of the house, but a good size for a third room. Then we've got the bedroom to the rear, quite similar in size to the other bedroom at the front, so good double bed proportions. Here we have an aspect to the rear. And across to the bathroom, where we have a panel bath with electric shower unit above, then the wash basin and toilet. And then heading outside, we've got the rear garden, which is mainly laid to lawn. We also have a gate to the side as well. And that concludes the online viewing for this property if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please contact the office as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon.